Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will dive into the Metaverse and we will start with Decentraland. Today we will connect our MetaMask wallet to a Decentraland account. We will create a new avatar. We will have a look at the Decentraland's world. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. Now for this, we're gonna need a MetaMask wallet, and we already have a video and you can find that video from the cards. By that video, you can learn how to set up your MetaMask wallet because we're gonna need a MetaMask wallet for our Decentraland account. So let's click on Get Started. And on the screen, we will choose continue with wallet, because if you choose to play as guest, all of your variable NFTs and all of your progresses that you made on Decentraland world will be gone the next time you enter because you played as a guest. So if you want your process to be maintained in your account, you should play using a wallet, and today we will use MetaMask. So we choose MetaMask, and after we type in our MetaMask wallet's password, we're gonna click on next and make sure that you're on Ethereum mainnet. Let's click connect, and after we sign, as you see, our game is opening. So we're gonna start with creating an avatar. Today I will choose a random avatar. This part is totally up to you. You can create your avatar depending on your likes. You can change the clothes. I'm just gonna show you guys how you can do that, but your style is up to you. I'm not gonna give any advices on that part. So I've just created my avatar. As you can see, I chose this hair color and this skin color and a sunglasses and all these clothes. You can find all of them for free on this top and bottom sections. Let's have a look. You can see different clothes. You can choose from them. As I said, I'm not gonna give any advices on this part. You can choose whatever you like for your top and bottom and shoes and create an avatar. Remember that you can change your avatar after the game starts, after you dive into the Decentraland world. And you can also buy and sell different NFT variables on Decentraland's marketplace. So we click on done, and we have to name our avatar, and to subscribe to their newsletter we have to enter an email. So let's fill in these blanks with a name and an email. So we've typed in our name and an email, and we have to agree on the terms of service and privacy policy. Let's click on I agree. And as you can see right now, we're in the Decentraland world. I'm just gonna skip the tutorial because I will talk about and cover all the things that game talks about in this tutorial. So let's click on got it. So I just skipped the tutorial. As you can see, there are different people around us. There are different events. We can see different ice poker games. We can see the headers. This section is for crowd. This section for events. This section for classics. And we can see different people, and we can see whirlpool. In a moment, we will be jumping into this. You can see the chat. We can speak and talk with people and socialize with people in Decentraland world. We can see their avatars, their clothes. So each one of these people are online people. There are different bots and NPCs. I'll show you guys after we dive into the Octopus Bar. And actually, let's just jump on to our Octopus Bar from the whirlpool and have a look at the bar. So as you see, we're at the Octopus Bar. This is our octopus, and we can see different people in here. They're speaking, maybe they're talking with their friends, or they're just sitting and having fun. In this video, I will talk about the different keys that we use on playing Decentraland, and I will show you guys 3 random places on the map, and I will leave a link in the description box below so you can read about which places are the most favorited and crowded places, so you can check them out. You can visit those places. I'm not going to be able to show those places in our video because of the fact that there's so many people on those places. You know, game gets laggy and I don't want our video quality to go down. So I'm just gonna leave a link for you guys so you can read that article to find out which places are the most favorited and crowded places. So we're at the trading center. You can see different stats about mana, which is the native token of Decentraland. You can find it on Binance and different exchanges if you want to buy any. As you can see, mana price, this is the current price. We can see mana price based on Ethereum. We can see Ethereum and Bitcoin's price, and DCL token transaction last 7 days. So right now I'm clicking on W button on my keyboard, and as you see, our character is walking because I'm clicking on shift. So if I release shift button, as you see, this is how our character normally moves. It runs places. So if you want a, slowly to walk around and have a look at the Decentraland world, you should be clicking on the shift like this and then moving. And also right now I'm clicking on the right button of my mouse, and that's how I, have a look around. So these are the keys. Now for the map, we should click on M, and we can see the Decentraland's map. We can see the most crowded places, and these little red dots are actual players. As I mentioned, they are actual players. So we can see different places. We can see Gamer Plaza. We can see different plazas and different places. In this video, we will have a look at the Vegas Plaza, and I'll show you guys the Decentraland University. So this is our map, and you realize that everything you do on your keyboard either moves your player or you interact with the world. But how do we get out of this mode, and what happens if we want to use our mouse? What should we do? So for that, if you click on escape, we can see our we can use our mouse and our player doesn't move. But when I click on the right button on my mouse, it goes into the game and it moves my player. And you can see we can use the chat to socialize with people. Let's write hey. When you write anything, your name will be like this in yellow, and you can socialize with people. There are different NPCs, different characters we can see. And if you want to go to a place without walking, if you want to teleport to a place, that there's a way to do it. For example, let's go to Vegas Plaza. For this, you click on Vegas Plaza and click on jump in. And after the loading scenes, you can see we've arrived at the Vegas Plaza. They created a little model of Vegas, but right now there are different games, and you can see that on right bottom of our screen. We can see our credits, we can see the bet and win. So it's a real Vegas Plaza. You can gamble here with different games and different game modes. Now in this video, we're just taking a look at Decentraland's world, but make sure to let us know if you want a fully detailed Metaverse tutorial series. Right now we're planning to do it. In our next videos, I will show you guys the sandbox world, the Roblox world, and different NFT worlds. And in the next stages, we will dive into the VR world. Decentraland also has a VR supported system, so you can experience all of these things on a VR headset. So we can see different cars. We can see a pyramid, as you see the hotel on Las Vegas. And when we go into this place, we can see different games. As you can see, there are slots, there are poker tables, and we can interact with these games. As you see, I've interacted, and let's see, no, we haven't won anything. And as you see on right bottom of our screen, our credits went down to 980. It was 1000 just a minute before, and we can change the bet. And if you use toggle button on your mouse like this, we go into the FPS mode. You can also do this by clicking V on your keyboard. As you can see, this is the third person view, and when we click on V, we go into the FPS mode, and you can use whatever you like. You just have to click on V and change your view. So this was Vegas Plaza. Let's just jump on to our second place and have a look at the Decentraland University. So let's click on jump in and go to our Decentraland University. So we've arrived at our Decentraland University. We can have a look. There are little domes. They're empty at the moment, but in the future probably they will add different things, maybe different classes to teach people about Decentraland's vision and different projects, and maybe some advertisements on Decentraland University. Maybe in the future they will be giving out Metaverse degrees, Metaverse bachelor's degrees and PhDs and all that. We never know. So this is inside one of the buildings in the Decentraland University. Let's just have a look at the sky. We can see different clouds and a moon. There's a little garden. We can see a little stand. You can see future-proof Metaverse NFT. I believe it's French. We can interact with it. You can just have a look at the Decentraland world. Right now, there are not so many active interactive events. I'll show you guys in a minute that there are different events, different concerts that you can attend, but it's not like the real world. It's not that active, but I believe in the future it will be that active and people will live in Metaverse. And now let's just jump on to our third and last place. We'll have a look at the Openc Gallery and the different buildings around Openc Gallery. Then we will talk about different events that takes place on Decentraland world. So we've arrived at the Openc Gallery. We're gonna see different NFT artifacts, NFT projects on here. We can see there are the creators and collections. We can see OpenC NFTs on here. We can see the artists. As you see, OpenC drops different projects and different NFTs. So I believe you get the point so far. Decentraland and Metaverse, these are only beginning. I mean, they're not fully finished or they're not fully completed. It's part of the technology. The new era is just starting. So as a coin engineer, you should know all about Metaverse. And as I said, in the future, we will be coming up with different Metaverse projects such as Sandbox, Roblox, and different projects. We're just having a look at the Decentraland world, and I'm showing you guys how you can have a look at the Decentraland's world. And I'm just showing you guys, talking about the keys that we should use to walk, to use the map, to teleport. And if you want, in our next videos, we can just go fully detail on Decentraland world, and we can play different games if you want. So make sure to let us know in the comments. So when we click on escape, we can see different floor, backpack, map, builder, and settings. So on our explore tab, we can see there are different events, concerts, art, nifties, NFT grab. We can see how many players will attend or interact with this event. There are live events, live streams. We can see golf craft. These are the highlights. And under our events tab, there are different options, trending now. These are the trending events. So 195 people are going to just enter the Metaverse event on March 24th. These are the trending events. We can see the places. Ice Poker, there are 486 people on Ice Poker, the stronghold. Ice Poker, Chateau Satoshi. Wondermind crafting game, Ice Poker DEXT Lounge, 8 Meta Balls. So when we have a look at our backpack, we can see the free clothes. But as I said, if you get any variable NFTs from the marketplace or any event, maybe you want a dress or shoe or sunglasses from giveaway, that item will be on your wallet and you can wear it, you can buy it, or you can sell it on the marketplace. And I will show you guys in the marketplace. So as the final phase of our video, let's have a look at the Decentraland's marketplace. We can see different shoes, different clothes, different types of clothing. We can see buffon hat, mask, long gown. We can see different trenches, and there are actually some cool stuff. We can see there are rarity levels. So this one is unique and this one is epic. So we can see the prices. So this one, for example, 80 mana, which is nearly equals to $200. So when we click on it and click on buy, we can buy this, but it's on Polygon network and we have to have money on our MetaMask wallet, 80 mana, if we want to buy this cloth. And we already have an OpenSea video, and we showed you guys in that video and in our other videos to how you can transfer money from exchanges to your MetaMask wallet to buy NFTs or NFT clothes variables such as this one. So in this video, we've talked about Decentraland's world. I showed you guys some random places. We had a look at the Decentraland's marketplace. As I said, you need a MetaMask wallet to connect your account to Decentraland. And as I said, you can check our MetaMask tutorial video from the cards. And after you create your MetaMask wallet, you can just start playing on Decentraland map and exploring the new Metaverse world. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. As I said, if you want a fully detailed Decentraland world video, make sure to let us know in the comments and we will be working on it, and we will come up with a new Decentraland fully detailed video. So with that said, see you guys in our next videos.